Hi everyone, this is the 9th episode of the Digital Marketing 101 series that is about 12 on-page SEO techniques. I am presenting each of these techniques as individual videos, and this is the 6th of the 12 techniques. It is about internal linking. What is it and how to do it effectively for SEO? Let's discuss. Internal linking is when you link from one page on your website to another page on your same website. What you do is, for a particular text on your post, you add a link that directs visitors to a different page or post on your website. Here is what it can look like. So when a reader is interested to find out more, they can click on that link and visit that page. Yeah. So internal links are like, to a page are like votes. They tell search bots that the destination page has valuable and relevant content that the reader will appreciate. This also makes it easier for the search engines to crawl your entire website as well as to understand it. Internal links also enhances user experience and reduce bounce rates. By pointing to another page within your website that has more relevant and valuable information, you are helping your visitors to make it easier for them to explore and understand your website. Also, as your readers continue to read more pages on your website, your bounce rates will be reduced. Internal links are also known as hyperlinks. These point to pages that are on the same website. Here are some tips on how to do internal linking effectively for SEO. Have you seen web pages where the text eventually invites you to click here? Where does the link go to? What will you get when you reach the destination of this link? Just like now, you have no idea what these words say. You know what it says, but you don't know where it will take you. It is the same for these search engines. Yeah? When the search bots encounter these words, they too have no idea where the link for the words will go to. Can you see why it is important to use keywords for your internal links now? And the best is to contextualize to the page you are linking to. When a reader clicks on it, or when the search bar goes to that page, they will see, a useful and helpful article about making money online. When you link to another page on your site, you send link authority to that page. This can help your page to rank better on search engines such as Google. Take a look at your site architecture and decide which pages are important and which ones you would like to rank. Then, when you create more posts, look for opportunities in the content to link to those important pages. Hyperlinks should be done within a paragraph. This is ideal, it is natural, and I always advise people to write naturally. Google and other search engines love it when we write naturally, as opposed to writing in such a way that is forced or just to please a search engine's ranking algorithm. There may be occasions when you would like to hyperlink to the same page more than once. When that happens, it is best to avoid using the same anchor text all the time. This means using different words to link to that same page. Also, do not use the same anchor text for two different pages. So you have opportunities to link to each page on different occasions. So do not use the same anchor text for both these pages. This will confuse Google and other search engines. They will see it as both pages having the same topic and same content. Use different anchor text to link to each of these pages. I understand that there can be many opportunities to add internal links all throughout your web page. Of course, don't do that. Yeah. sprinkle them along your entire article and do it sparingly. As in, do not stuff internal links all over your page. And here's one important point. Try to add at least one internal link high up on your page. I usually do it within the first three paragraphs of text. This has been known to reduce bounce rates and increase dwell time, both of which can be very good for your SEO. This may be obvious, but it's always good to check and make sure that your internal links are with do follow. Because sometimes there can be a bug or a new automatic setting from a plugin, or the plugin itself may cause the links to suddenly become no follow. So it's good to double check on this. Don't link to a page you're already on. This may also sound obvious, but you'll be surprised that many people do this. Never link back to the same article. Because remember, internal linking means linking to another page or post on your website. Do you have any questions about internal linking? Let me know in the comments below. In my next video, I will share about another on-page SEO technique, and that is the XML sitemap. So remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to get updated whenever I publish a new video. I wish you immense wealth and success.